Model, 62-plate Nissan Navara Double Cab Acenta 2.5 dCi 190 PS Euro 5 spares OR repairs. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 229,000. MOT, the 24th of August 2025. Engine, 2488 cc YD25 KAI3 E5B. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, engine and running gear are perfect. This has the usual rear chassis has rotten, snapped, will need extensive welding, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, aircon, cruise Contron, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.